Maruti Vitara Brezza versus Hyundai Venue. Service cost in India. Vitara Brezza first service 1000 km or 1 month 2400 rupees. Second service 5000 km or 6 months 4150 rupees. Third service 10,000 km or 12 months 4850. Fourth service 20,000 km or 24 months rupees 7,810. Hyundai Venue first service free. Second service 10,000 km or 12 months 1,985 rupees. Third service 20,000 km or 24 months rupees 3,427. Fourth service 30,000 km or 36 months 4,035 rupees. Vitara Brezza fifth service 30,000 km or 36 months 6,850 rupees. Sixth service 50,000 km or 60 months 4,400 rupees. Seventh service 60,000 km or 72 months 6,267 rupees. Hyundai Venue fifth service 40,000 km or 48 months 5,477 rupees. Sixth service 50,000 km or 60 months 4,035 rupees. Vitara Brezza engine oil 2,000 rupees, oil filter 400, air filter 350, fuel filter 1,400, brake and clutch oil 350, spark plug 350, service charge 2,000. Hyundai Venue engine oil 1,749, oil filter 236, air filter 275, fuel filter 938, climate control air filter 229, service charge 2,050. Approximate service cost for Maruti Vitara Brezza in 6 years 36,727 rupees. Approximate service cost for Hyundai Venue in 5 years 18,959.
Turn it on.